So yeah, on the way into my local place where I picked up the Canon M50 because I want to grab a mic just to improve the audio on it. It's pretty good actually. I mean, at the moment I'm talking and it's not that bad. I was trying it out yesterday and it seemed to be pretty good. It's not terrible, but obviously when you're out in a situation where the noise is coming from multiple directions and there's a bit more hustle and bustle going on, you're going to want a mic for the top of this camera. So, and that's one of the main reasons I've got it, so I could do the vlogging. So let's go pick the mic up. Gone and picked some bits up for the camera. I got my new mic, got a new tripod. Now I've got all my bits for this new Canon M50, which I'm shooting on at the moment. I brought a mic for it, got a new tripod for it. Stick them all on later, I'll see what it's like. But the audio at the moment is actually pretty good, so hopefully the mic's going to massively improve it and it won't sound so tinny or bitty, because all the microphones are on the front of this camera forward facing, which is perfect for vlogging. And finally we're back to an environment which you're probably all very familiar with. So let me know how you think the vlogging went with the new Canon EOS M50. I'm enjoying using it. I like the images it's producing and the sound quality is actually not too bad, but the main reason we went out today was to pick a mic up for this camera. And as you can probably tell, I don't just pick up what I wanted to. Yes, I went and got a few extra bits for the camera. Why not? Here it is. So today we picked up, obviously, you know, I went out, I wanted a mic. Here's your mic. So it's the VideoMic PRO I went for. A bit more expensive than I wanted, but there you go. Also, I've been using this only for like a day, 2 days, the Manfrotto Pixie Mini. It's really comfortable to hold, but I've noticed like see, this is like that's slightly twisted already. It just seems a bit weighty and doesn't feel like the grip's brilliant, and it ends up sort of doing that. Obviously not that severe. So I just wanted something a bit more sturdy. So I've had a look, I've been looking online, been checking out YouTube for some hints, and everyone seems to be going for these, the Joby Gorillapod 1K kit. Now I went for this one because of the weight with this one. I'm guessing when I stick the microphone on it, when I put some other accessories on it, I want to get a cage for the camera as well. Just think they look good. But yeah, it supports up to 1K in weight, that's 2.2 pounds. So yeah, should be fine there. And that was, I think, just over £50 with the tripod. So that's the fun bits. I did pick up another memory card, SanDisk memory card. Never have too much storage, and a Hanel battery, the LPE12. Now I've heard a lot of bad press about third-party batteries, and you should stick with the Canon batteries. Again, let me know in the comments below what you think, but they recommended these in the shop. They said they're really good. They don't have any issues with them. It's a good performing battery. Like I said, I'm not into my camera, so this is still a massive learning experience for me. So let me know in the comments below what you think about third-party batteries, and particularly Hanel. Do you use them? Have you tried them? Have you had any bad issues with them? I mean, I don't really want to be damaging my camera, but they've guaranteed me in the shop that these are fairly reliable and a good option, and they're slightly cheaper. It's just I would have got the Canon battery, but they didn't have them in store, so yeah, went for that. So we'll get them out of the way. Battery and memory card, don't really want to know about them. We're going to stick these on the camera and see what it looks like and sounds like. You ready? Let's do this. So let's get started, not waste any more time. I'm not going to walk around with the boxes of these. We're not interested in the boxes, we're interested in the product. Try the tripod first, because like I said, I think that's going to be a lot easier to set up. It's a tripod, how hard can it be? Now I like the idea of this because not just handheld, you can wrap it around stuff. Bit of information there, just popped out the top of the box. Yeah, it's pretty much multi-use. There's quite a lot apparently you can do with this. Here we go, it's out of the box, very simple. Nothing spectacular. Let's open this up, it's the 1K. And there you go, there's your tripod with your ball head joint on top. Let's just hope it's quite a tough little. There you go, already it's going to give me a bit more height. Let me get this one off. Then the Manfrotto Mini Pixie. But this is just really nice to hold though, it's comfortable to hold this. I do like the feel of this. Bit slippy but comfortable to hold. I'm not dropping stuff. Right, let's just wind this in very quickly. Simple enough. There we go. That's that. What do you think? Sounds a bit cracky. I don't know if that's just because it's new. But yeah, look at the extra height you're going to get. It's not massive, but sometimes size matters. But here you go. That's the Gorilla 1K tripod for the Canon EOS M50. And I like what's it feel like to hold. I know you can really shape these. You can really bend them about to get your grip you're looking for. Oh, do you know what? It's just going to get it a bit further away from you when you're doing vlogging, which would be nice. Get a bit more of a perspective background. There you go, what do you think? Looks pretty good. There you go, and you can really move these about, really bend these about. And they're meant to be one of, if not the best tripods out there on the market. Yeah, let me know if you've got one of these, let me know if you use it, let me know if there's anything you do and don't like, and I said I'll keep you updated with what I'm doing with all my gear going on this, how I'm finding using the Canon EOS M50 as an overall vlogging camera. But no, it's brilliant, and I think it was just over £50 that, so it's not bad compared to this, which was, I want to say, I think I got a bit cheaper. I'll say £20 to £25, so it's a bit more expensive, but I think there's a bit more you can do with this one than over this, which is a hard fixed kind of tripod, which is, again, it's fine for holding, but that's pretty much, it's either standing or you're dropping it, holding it. But this, yeah, you're a bit more flexible, you can wrap the legs round, you're going to get a bit more length when you're vlogging, holding it at arm's length. So there you go. And now what I've really went out to get, my mic with the setup. So like I said, went for the VideoMic PRO. There are cheaper options, and this is one of the more expensive options. They just recommended for what I was using it for. I don't mind spending the money if it's a product that's worth it and it's what I'm after. So again, we're not worried about the box in this. It is quite nicely boxed. Good bit of packaging into another plastic container. And there we have it. Opens up quite simply, and I have my very first vlogging microphone. Quite excited. There you go. Now, am I going to attempt to put this on the camera? There you go, let's have a look. I know this comes out, like I said, I'm not a camera guy, so this is all new to me. I've never mounted a camera, never mounted a mic on a camera before. So let me just get this a little bit lower, a bit more spread out, there we go. And that, I believe, just slides straight in there, and you just tighten it with this, I'm guessing. There you go. So there you have it, everything's set up on the camera. We've got the Joby Gorillapod 1K kit supporting the camera, and obviously, like I said, this is going to be fantastic because it's just multi-use. I can hold it, it's going to extend a bit further when I'm trying to do my vlogging and when I'm out and about, and it's just a more versatile tripod than what I was using. And then on the top here we've got the Rode VideoMic PRO, which is going to really improve the sound quality. I won't do any tests here in this because I'm in a real small environment here. You're not going to really hear any difference. You might do, but I'll get out, I'll test it with and without the mic. I'll do a quick update on that and a quick video of what I think of the mic. And I'll also do some testing when I get the dead cat on it as well, because obviously going away soon, as I keep saying to Texas, this is going to be the camera that's coming with me, this is going to be the setup that's coming with me, and the daily vlogs are going to be coming from this, of what I'm doing, where I am, and what Texas has to offer. So thanks again everyone for tuning in and watching my attempt at vlogging. Like I said, please do let me know in the comments how you think it went, and anything I could improve on. Any tips would be fantastic, and anything you want to let me know about the camera settings, or anything that would help me out using it. Because like I said, I'm not a camera guy, I'm not a camera expert. This is my first proper ever setup in a camera, but please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, because we've got lots more coming on setups like this, and lots more tech on its way soon. So I'll see you in the next video.